Hey there foodies, it's your girl Clenham and welcome to my channel. Today is all about this crunchy, juicy fried chicken. So without wasting your time, let's get it started. So first thing, we're going to need some chicken. I'm going to make some incisions in this chicken to make it easy for the marinade to penetrate all through to the bones, and this is also going to help fry faster. It is now time to marinate, and I'm going to need about half a liter of fresh milk, to which I'm going to add this spice mix, which is quite important for this recipe. So all the quantities will be stated below in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Back to our recipe, I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of that, and then all I'm going to do is to just stir and immerse my chicken in it and leave it to marinate for at least 2 hours. Let's move on. Now we're going to need 2 medium-sized eggs, which I'm going to whisk together with the spice mix that I showed you previously. It's now the turn of our flour. So I'm going to need about 4 tablespoons of flour, to which I'm going to add the remaining part of the spice mix. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with all of this in a second. So now all we have to do is to dip our chicken into the egg and then into the flour. And then we're going to let this stay for about 5 minutes before we start to fry. This is going to help the whole thing stick to the chicken and not fall in the oil whilst we're frying. If you marinated your chicken by putting it into the fridge, remember to bring it out at least 30 minutes before frying, because you don't want your temperature of the oil to drop drastically whilst you're frying. Else, there is not going to be crunchiness and your chicken is just going to be soaked in oil. Another tip is to keep your fire on a medium to low heat, because if the fire is too high, then you're going to have the chicken all burnt and the inside is still going to be raw. So it's better to keep it on a medium to low heat and then flip it frequently to obtain a homogeneous golden brown color all over. And you have to fry for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our perfectly fried, juicy, spicy, crunchy chicken, which I'm going to have with some yam, green sauce. I have a recipe to that, so make sure you check it out. I'm going to leave the link below. Some pepper and some veggies. And I'm going to prove to you that it's crunchy on the outside. So as you can see, I'm scratching with a fork and you can see how crunchy it is, but at the same time it's also soft and juicy on the inside. Now let's talk business. So if you love this recipe, please do not forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, sharing, and hey, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time. Bye bye.